In this video, I want to explain to you the collections feature of Windows Movie Maker. As you can see, I have nothing showing in the media storage area here where my cursor is pointing, but up here, and I have the task pane active. If I click on collections, I can see the different collections that I have already stored in Windows Movie Maker. For example, this is a collection of flower pictures. This is a collection of pictures of my grandson. Here's a collection of pictures of my children and my grandson as well. And here's a collection of pictures of my son and his friends parachuting. Okay. Now, I want you to see that these collections are a way of organizing your pictures, but they don't mean that you're not limited by it. So for example, if I put this picture of my son jumping off a bridge, crazy boy, and then I put this picture of my grandson at Christmas time, and this picture of a peony, I can access all of my collections. It's just a way of categorizing what I have stored in Windows Movie Maker. It doesn't separate them, it just categorizes them. It's a good way of organizing what you're doing, but it can be confusing, and that's why I want to go through it. So let me bring the task pane up. Let me say that I have my collection of pictures of my grandson active, but I want to go and import a picture of flowers that I've made. Now, if I pull in a new flower picture with that collection active, it gets added to the Joey collection, and that's not what I want. What I want to do is make sure that I have my flowers collection active, and then when I choose import pictures and bring those yellow peonies in, then it's added to the right collection. It's with all the other flower pictures. I also have a music track in there, but it's added to the other flower collections. So the collections are just ways of organizing your pictures in pictures media of any kind in Movie Maker. Okay, and again, you can choose your collection here, or you can click this button and show your collections instead of your tasks. So that's just a quick overview of collections. I want to show you also how to create a new collection. Suppose you're starting on a new project and you need a new collection or folder really to store the media for that project in. So I'm going to activate collections, and I'm going to right click and choose new collection. And this is going to be a series of pictures of London. So I'll name it London and make that the active collection. See here, we have it here and it's selected here. Now I'll come to the task pane and choose to import pictures. I just need to go to the folder. Here they are. So I'll click, shift click, select them all and bring them all in. And they'll come in. Just takes a few moments for them all to organize themselves here. Okay. So then I can just remove the pictures I have, right click, delete, right click, delete, and then I can just do a Control A to select everything here and drag it on down to the storyboard. And they haven't all finished downloading that yet, so you have some blacks, but that's okay, that'll clear. Okay, so you get the idea. Again, there we have now our new London collection. Here's flowers, Joey, London, parachuting. Okay. And of course you can delete by just right-clicking on a collection and choose delete.